Hi everyone, my name is Yifeng Liu, and today I will give you guys IMS 363's midterm presentation. And this is Google patent, and I find these carabiners to do a presentation because I think this product is very easy to recognize because there are many different kinds of carabiners in the market. Some is very big or very small, or some has so many useful things. But I think this one is the most visible because everyone sees that we know, oh, this is a carabiner. So let's do the presentation. So the topic of my presentation is carabiner. First of all, is the market definition. In my opinion, the carabiner designed by us will give customers a good experience from our professional perspective. Our main focus is convenience and safety, because this is what most ordinary people pursue. They just want maybe cheap and convenience and safety product. But we will not ignore the quality of the product. The quality can include the safety. So I think safety is the most important because customer is the god, right? And then it's the market size. In my opinion, we don't want to focus on the professional mountaineers because they prefer some mountaineers brand. So I want to focus on more ordinary people. And hi everyone, my name is Yifeng Liu, and today I will give you guys IMS 333's midterm presentation. It's about carabiners. So I searched the carabiners in the Google patent, and I found this carabiners. I think it is very easy to recognize because there are lots of different kinds of carabiners in the market. Some big, some small, some beautiful, some ugly. But I think this one is the easiest to recognize. Everybody sees this will know, oh, it is a carabiners. So let's do the presentation based on the PowerPoint. The topic is carabiner, and the market definition is carabiner designed by us will give customers a good experience from a professional perspective. Our main focus is convenience and safety because this is what most ordinary people pursue. So that means we don't want so many professional people to buy our product because it is just a very small part of people. We want the most of the people, it's ordinary people. They just need maybe cheap and convenience product. But we will not ignore the quality of the product because the safety question is also included in the quality. It is always said that the guard is customer, the customer is guard. So safety is very important. Then is the marketer size. We don't want to focus on the professional mountaineers because they prefer some mountaineering brands. So I want to focus on more ordinary people and amateur mountaineers because only they represent most of the market. So let's do a summary of measurable attributes related to the market. Mountain bikers are used in a variety of different activities. Mountain bikers are usually associated with outdoor recreational activities such as rock climbing, mountain climbing, and mountain rescue work. However, safety bikers are also used in many other applications, such as rescue operations in urban and environment, security constraints in urban and industrial environment, law enforcement, and military application. So I guess most of these workers just like do the rescue and security something else. They're not the climbing, they're not the climber. They don't know some professional. What is the professional carabiner? They just think it is safety, so it is good. Yeah. So what is intellectual property summary? Patent is a kind of intellectual property right which the invention creator or the transferee of his right has the exclusive right to exploit the specific invention, creational within a certain period of time. Basic carabiner contains locks and rings. So I think each product should not be a burden to people. As a human being, we don't carry around a big carabiner every day. So we start with portability. Because if you have a portability product, the people will buy more. Because selling, there's a story, maybe it's not a story, it's just a word, older word. Because selling a $6 bottle of water to 10,000 people is not nearly as powerful as selling a $1 bottle of water to 60,000 people. So I think it's not about the price. This word is just a story. Don't care. It's not about the price. It's about the successful is to getting more people to buy. This is very important, and this is the way we can enlarge the market size of our product. So the pricing, because it is very portability is convenience, so it is not very big. So I think that we will not use a very high price. $20 each is okay in the first period. Yeah. And the market test strategy is, I think I have a good idea, is we can open up a group of private beta users on the internet, and everybody sign in and get them a private beta for $10 to have the right, and then give them the free carabiner and ask them to try it and summarize the advantages and disadvantages after a month, include the convenience or not, the safety or not, and so on. Those who submit successful and verified information after 1 month will receive a free mountain trip from our company. So what is the competitive advantages? I compared to 3 groups. The first is, compared with the professional brands, we pay more attention to the portability of products, because the professional brand has lots of different usability, so it cannot be so small as is. Just this, it cannot be that. And compared with amateur brands, we pay more attention to the safety of products, and I believe whatever, the safety question is the most important. Yeah, and compared with mailing for civilian use brand, we pay more attention to security and portability. So I think if a unprofessional brand can pay attention to the security and the portability question, this company will be very good. Yeah, very good. So we don't have to compare the real value with the professional brand. what we have to do is let the majority of laymen choose us because of our convenience and safety. So that's all. That's all of my presentation about the carabiner. Thank you.